What's going on, everyone? I'm back here with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be taking a look at the TaoTronics Bluetooth 5.0 headphones. I picked these up off of Amazon.com for about $27 to $28, I believe, with free shipping, which was nice. Now, this is the third generation of these particular type of headphones. There is a Generation 1 and a Generation 2. Both of which are good headphones, but this one is the most current version that you can get, and it also has the latest Bluetooth technology. Anyway, so yeah, this model says that it should last about 2 hours longer compared to the previous version. So that's something good to note, and will have to be something that I'll have to try out. Okay, so these are the headphones right here themselves. I'm going to go ahead and set that off for just a minute. So down here we have more accessories, so you have extra little earbuds if you happen to lose the ones you have, or if you need a larger or smaller size depending on your ear. So that's nice that it's included. Then we have the little charging wire. It's actually fairly short, so if you want a longer one, I would suggest going out and getting a longer cable, or you may already have one since it does use micro USB, which is something that most people have nowadays. Okay, and then lastly down in the bottom here, we have a little carrying bag if you want to protect. So anyway, let's go ahead and take a look at the headphones themselves. Let's go ahead and get it out of this bag. Okay, so there's what the headphones look like. They look very, very similar, if not identical, to Generation 2. So right here you can see the controls are slightly different from the last generation. They're much more pronounced and I guess easier to click. And if you can hear, probably can't hear it right now, but they have a very pronounced click to it, essentially letting you know that you're clicking it, and it has a very tactile feel, which is super nice. Then right there you have your charging port for those that when you need to charge the battery, of course. And then down here simply you have the earbuds themselves, which are magnetized, so they can magnet together like so, so you can wear them around your neck when you are not using them. So now, judging off of the last generation of these headphones, the audio is actually not too bad. It's pretty clear. There's not a lot of bass or low tones really that come out of this, but it also doesn't sound too tinny, as some people may call it. They have a pretty level sound, and for my uses and my use case for this, the sound is totally sufficient for my needs. For those that are on a budget and want a pretty decent pair of Bluetooth headphones, I would suggest highly considering these because they're actually really nice quality, and like I said, the audio quality is not too bad considering the price being as low as it is. Real quick, the pairing process is very simple. It basically is done essentially like any other Bluetooth device that you may come to know. You just hold down the middle button here until the lights turn on, and it goes, there you go, you can see it's flashing blue and red rapidly. That tells you that it is now in pairing mode. And then to turn it off, you just hold it down again and it turns red. There you go. So, but yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I will provide a link in the description for these headphones below if you guys may be interested. And also, I will provide links to the first and second generation of these headphones, which are a little bit cheaper, being that these are already super cheap anyway. But if you guys are interested in the last generation versions, I will indeed provide links to those as well. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right down below. It is really greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up button as well. That is also much appreciated. And if you guys have any questions or comments, drop them down in the section below, and I will get back to them as soon as I can. And yeah, with all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.